So in this video, we're going to be unboxing some stuff right here I bought from AliExpress, and it's for the Google Pixel 6 right here, which is the case and then glass protector. So if you want to get a case for your phone, or you are trying to just pick a case for your phone, this is the video for you so that you'll be able to know what case you need to get. And I'm going to leave the links to the cases in my description in case you want to get one. You can just check them out. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. I'm going to put the phone right here, and then we check out the packages right here. So we are going to get a sharp edge in order to just help us get this one right here. So I'm gonna check it out and see what we have here. So I guess this is the glass protector, so I'm just being careful so that I don't get it shattered or messed up. I don't know why they keep it in this package, or they package this way, because there's like the fifth time I'm buying from them, AliExpress. I mean the glass protector, and then they keep it in this, or I'm sure probably they want it to be very, very safe with this one right here. So when you check out right here, you can see I have one. They gave me how many pieces? One, and then two. They gave me two pieces and this, so you can check out right here in case maybe one messes up, then I'm going to be able to just fix the other. So you can check out right here. This is it for my Pixel 6. When I put it on the screen like this, you're gonna see it's gonna fit very, very well. That's pretty much very cool. So I think I'll put this on later, maybe when I'm done with the video I'll do it, and then I'll probably take a shot of it and then drop it on my channel, so you see it right here. You go like it up after I'm done. So we got two glass protectors, and I'm gonna leave the link right there so that you guys will be able to just check it out. So you can see this for the Pixel 6 right here. You can see that is really colorful, cool. So that's what we have in this, and let's check out what we have here, which will probably be the protector, I mean the case, and that is the main deal for this video right here. There's a case I'm actually going to recommend to you guys. I think it's one of the best cases I've used since I started using very cool smartphones, and I'm going to recommend this case to you because I feel it's so much protected. When you check out how the Google Pixel camera bump is, upon seeing this, the way they designed it, I think it's one of the coolest cases you would like to get. So there's a rugged shield case I have for my device. So this is how the case looks like, and it's pretty much very cool. So let's drop everything away. Yeah, so this is how the case looks like. So you can see the camera bump is really, really protected, which is pretty much very cool. And when you check out the name right here, you can see it's the rugged shield. And like I said, I'm going to leave the links in my description in case you want to get one. You try it out. You can either use the Amazon or AliExpress link if you want it, so you can check it right. This is very, very strong case right here. When you check out this, you can see all my phones I use rugged shield cases, you can see, and it's very, very strong and compact. So this is what I use for my iPhone 8 Plus. So that is the reason why. And also I use it for my Google Pixel 3 XL. That is what I'm shooting this video with. So now when I just put this phone right here, you can see this camera bump is going to be protected, and it's going to really prevent it from scratching and all, because I saw some cases, I saw this side not being protected and it was just bare like that. But with this case right here, you can see this side is protected, and that is basically very cool. So we wipe it up, and then we just put it right here, and then see how it's going to look like. So you can see our phone is very, very cool right here, and that is very, very awesome. So when you check out right here, like I said, you can see right now our camera is so away from the surface of this case right here, and when you put your phone down like this, it's not going to scratch or something. You can see this side is protected, that you are not going to be able to just get direct contact with the camera or the flash or everything. So as time goes on, maybe if you feel maybe your phone needs some cleaning, you just take it off and then you clear or you wipe your camera or something, and they are good because this side really protects everything, and that is basically very cool. So if you think this is a case you really like, you can just give it a thumbs up, and if you want to get one too for yourself, you can just check the link in the description, and then you can get one for yourself. So there's the rugged shield, like I said, you can check out right here, the rugged shield, and that is pretty much very cool. It's one of the toughest cases I think think I've used for my phones so far, and that is basically very cool. So when we just launch our camera too, you can see everything is intact, nothing shows, nothing is covered, everything is intact. We can see everything is correct. So that is pretty much very cool. So if you are confused on getting any case for your device, you can just get this Rugged Shield, and you can just get it for any device. Like I said, if it's for the iPhone or Google Pixel 3 XL, 4 XL, 5, 6 Pro, you can just try the Rugged Shield, and that is going to protect your device. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. In case you want to know more tips and tricks about this device too, you can check out this video right here, and it's going to help you. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.